Welcome to Adhyayanam, the YouTube channel, and it is dedicated for competitive examinations, academics, and as well as for all other categories of entrance examinations. Now we are going to explain before you about the class 10th mathematics question papers preparation, because the Cbse board examination of class 10th mathematics is on March 10th, and for class 12 is on March 8th. So our primary focus to class 10th students to prepare accordingly and for scoring good marks in the mathematics. So let us explain about the shares stakeholders of all parts like a numbers like arithmetics, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, and mensuration and the probability and stats. Actually क्या है कि if you are going to score good marks in mathematics, so you prepare your all part of the mathematics according to the division of marks of the Cbse. As for example, here very good but the complex geometry, two chapters, circle and triangles. We are going to focus on these two chapters, and in a triangles, Thales theorem is very important. This oftenly asked. Converse of Thales theorem also asked so many times. And solid geometry, mensuration, here the area of a sector, segment, and composite diagrams area calculation processes like composition of the sector and the segment and all. And therefore, if you are going to on the trigonometry is a very easy to understand to all students, but students oftenly confuse during the solving of the trigonometry questions because they don't know how we explain how to put the values and how to change, where we need to change, where we need to convert, and so on. Therefore, we just see both sides of the identity during the proof in trigonometric ratios and all, and therefore we just focus our the largest part, and because large part can be reduced very precisely. So trigonometry is a need more practice for scoring good marks. Statistics is a very easy because mean, median, modes, only three topics are there. These topics are called central tendency measures, mean, median, modes, and there are different methods, long method and shortcut methods. If in examinations is not asked about a particular method, then you just put your any kind of methods for solution. Like if you are going to calculate the mean, then we can use general formula. There are classified data and non-classified data. If the data is classified, then we are going to use two methods, long and shortcut method. In a shortcut method, we just assume the mean, and then our calculations and all become very short. So this is very good method. But if you are unable to solve by that method, then you simply use long methods. If there is no reasons or no prescription are given in the question paper that you have to solve particular question by the particular way, methods or the ideology, then algebra is a very core part of the mathematics, and it's never confusing to the students because of very straight and all. Linear equation, polynomials and quadratic equations, arithmetic progressions. So arithmetic progressions have a very good concept. It's very easy to solve the students. So students focus on calculating the n term, mean term, sum of all terms, and there is only 2 or 3 formulas that will be used at this level. Nth term, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of n terms, Sn equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. And you can also use if last term is given, then n by 2 a inside bracket a plus f. And probability is a basic level of that there, and so you just divide your chapters in two steps. One, formula, and next is the PYQ practices and very rigorous practices all about this. So there are 4-5 parts of the mathematics: geometry, solid geometry, trigonometry, stats, and algebra. And you just divide your the 8 days gap in 5 topics. Day 1, geometry, go through all very rigorous practice. Day 2, solid geometry. Day 3, trigonometry. Day 4, stats. Day 5, algebra. And remaining 3 days, just go to the PYQ and the very rigorous practice of the solving of the sample papers. And by this way, you are going to utilize your 8-day gap of the mathematics paper. So this is a very core. And if you are watching this video first time on my YouTube channel, then I request you all to kindly subscribe this channel and get in touch with the Adhyayanam, because Adhyayanam is a platform where you get all kind of the queries solved, like academic platforms, competitive platforms, different entrance examinations platform, and the scholarship examination also. Here academics classes 6 to 12, and also we are going to preparing for primary levels. Competitive like NEET, GMAS Advanced, JAM, and other competitive exam like IAS, PCS, PCJ, etc. And for entrance examination like NDA exam, CUT UG, CUT PG, different university examinations like law entrance examinations, CLAT. And then if you are discussing about the scholarship examinations, then Olympiads, International Maths Olympiad, Physics Olympiad, etc. So this is the one solution of all examinations, Adhyayanam. So connect with the Adhyayanam, subscribe the Adhyayanam, and enjoy our Adhyayanam. Thanks for watching. Namaskar.